Okay, this morning is November 14th, 2024, and I'm just going to walk around the property again. This time I'm going to be recording it on my phone. So let's go. So here's my bird feeders. We got a pretty good group of sparrows and such. Potato field is getting all ready for grass next winter. I'm sorry, spring. It's a beautiful day here in the neighborhood. All the leaves are, almost all the leaves have fallen. I have a pile of slash here that has ended up being a good home for the birds this winter. I just scared a bunch of them off, unfortunately. Pretty soon this will all be covered with snow. And if I have the strength, I'll come out here and walk around in the snow someday. You'll notice my gait is a bit stilted. My left knee is numb and my right knee is bad, but I can still walk, which is good. This is our front door. Nothing exciting. This drone can follow me at about 18 miles an hour. Of course, I couldn't go anywhere near that walking, and I don't even ride a bike anymore, so it's a pretty capable little drone for $199, I'll tell you. The RV is all winterized, I hope. So you can see I have the slide out. I did get the snow tires put on my vehicle ready for the icy roads. It's about 45 degrees out, which is actually pretty warm right now. We're expecting some snow this weekend. This is Thursday. So I have walked all around. I haven't fallen. I'm rather proud of myself. And all I do to get this thing to land is put my hand out and it comes to me. If I say